artists and scientists launched a joint project with the objective of listening, recording and translating world's water stories. The art objects is created with the function of recording and graphically depicting the river's flow, or metaphorically speaking, its narrative in real time. The graphically depicted and recorded narrative is collated in books that create the collection of stories told by water. The first water recordings was made in Riga, Latvia, in the river Daugava. The composition is comprised of several individual groups of urban art objects in central Riga. The sensors, positioned in story recorder, perceive the river's waves. Story listener transmit the data obtained to the story archive, where this information is archived, deciphered and transformed into a visual format. The message is recorded in a binary counting system, and the resultant data is transformed into a graphic sign. With the participation of several of Latvia's leading scientists and researchers, a system and devices were created that record water stories. These works are made as simple sculptural forms, and in the same time they are made with special knowledge, including a number of specialist areas. The process and the resulting artwork are equally important. In the exhibition that accompanies the art project, viewers can study the research process, the course of the creation of the works of art and the team involved. It is used as a meeting place and creative workshop to continue to experiment and develop ideas. The collection of stories told by water will be created, recording water epistles in various places around the world. All over the world, waters are related through uniform circulation. Based on this fact, we have formed an assumption that in various places around the world, waters speak in one and the same language, perhaps with a slight difference in dialect. The task during the first step was to listen to and record the water stories. The next step is dedicated to translating, interpreting, the recorded material. This process will culminate in another project named Translator, that includes contemporary dance, sound and media art, sculptures and installations, creating contemporary art events and exhibitions. The translator's task is to understand the logical aspects of the recorded water and to explain them in as meaningful way as possible.